Fashion and construction. At first glance, there is nothing in common between both industries, at least until we see that they are the third and second most polluting industries worldwide. What if we could create a product that helps to reduce the pollution for both industries? Currently, the amount of chlorine discard every second is equivalent to one garbage truck, getting to spend up the 5% of waste in landfills in different countries, especially in Africa. Meanwhile, the construction industry is responsible for the 8% of global carbon dioxide emission for the use of cement, more than double that of air or sea transport.
So that's why we present you fashion breaks. Unlike other proposals previously presented, that they just achieved the top of the iceberg of the fast fashion problem, we're going to the roots. Tons and millions of tons of clothes waste in landfill sites in Kenya, for example, are thrown away, and we can transform all these materials into panels for construction. Imagine making this and transforming it into raw material, a high potential project that can make cities and can make almost any construction project. But how are we gonna do this?
Well, Fashion Bricks has a great business potential, and our business model creates a circular system. Well, we monetize the fashion waste and reintegrated it with the construction industry. How this? Well, the company first retrieve all this cloth waste from landfills in growing economy countries. Then we buy all these raw materials from local collectors so we can sell the transform panels to all these construction companies, architects and designers. We're also generating revenue and additional revenue from partnerships with fashion and waste management companies. Alongside with retrievement, processing, and waste management companies, among others alternatives for sustainable production in the construction industry.
Our nation, Mexico, divides the construction market size into three main subsectors: edification, civil construction, and specialized jobs, acquiring an enormous $39.7 billion market. Edification and specialized jobs conform our target market, where Mexico City, Querétaro, and Morelos acquire more than 50% of the total Mexican construction loan.
These three are companies or startups that are working on solutions to address the environmental challenges caused by fashion or industry construction. Number one, the renewal workshop. This one reduces textile waste and is in charge to reduce all these clothes that otherwise will be thrown away. Ecovative. This creates eco-friendly insulators and packaging materials that are also done by mushroom mycelium. And number three is our biggest competitor, fabrics. This one is in charge of the corrective bricks from textiles.
In conclusion, we provide a solution for the rising cost and environmental impact for the use of traditional construction materials. And we are combining these both challenges into one solution. Finally, we have the capability to produce this product in massification by using different quantity of clothes.
And this is the high potential of fashion bricks. Fashion bricks that can transform the construction into a more sustainable industry by also retrieving all the millions of tons of clothes that are in landfill sites. Are you ready to transform runway to construction? Thank you very much.
¿Cuál es el número del equipo, por favor?
13. Adelante, Joshua.
Thank you guys, great pitch. I have two very straightforward questions. One is, why are you in the developing of the solution? And the second one is, how competitive it would be against regular brick?
Can you repeat the last part of the second question, please?
Just how competitive in terms of pricing it would be against a regular brick?
Yes. So, first of all, we have worked in another panels that are similar for this, but we are not working currently on the textiles that we use as daily basis. But there are other types of textiles, so they work. We have proved that they work. These are the characteristics of the panels. And yes, the high demand of the construction industry, thanks to the inflation of the construction materials, is high. So we have a market that is ready to receive a construction material that is even 5 times cheaper than the normal traditional bricks that we have seen for more than 5,000 years. So yeah, the market is asking for a solution like this one. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, but yes, but a follow-up question. Are you capable of building the bricks at that price?
Yes.
Like, do you have an idea of the pricing around how much expensive it's going to be for you as a company?
Yes. Yes, currently the price will be around 100 Mexican pesos. And this is actually the process that we're going to look for. We have worked for several prototypes using the clothes, and this is a process, so yeah, we are able to.
100 pesos a brick.
It's not actually a brick, it's a panel, so it's bigger. The dimension is a meter square. So it's not exactly a brick, it's more a panel.
It's a pallet.
Yes, the dimensions are 75 by 135 centimeters. So it's 1 square meter, and the width is 10 centimeters.
And do you have the experience to do this, or which of your team has the experience to work in this construction business, because it's totally different? And the second question is, if you win, for example, this competition, for what you will need that money? What are you going to do with this?
Well, regarding the experience, I'm a studying mechanical engineer, so yes, I have worked in a similar project, but using another type of waste. Industrial waste cannot be reincorporated to the industrial recycle process. And well, regarding the business model?
Well, we're seeking for an initial investment of 300,000 pesos, but it was in a region impact here in the Mexico state. And well, that's why if we win this whole prize, we're gonna start at least the project immediately.
But do you have a minimum viable product? Do you have a prototype or something, or do you have nothing?
Prototype with a similar material, yes, we have it. And we have even built a house in departments.
And validated with the user?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
¿El número del equipo?
13.
Equipo 13, puede ser.